Hello guys, welcome back to our channel GM's Kitchen. So today's recipe is creamy curd rice and spicy garlic pickle. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon as ad. Let's get into the video. See the ingredients needed for making garlic pickle. Bunch of garlic pods lesser than 1 cup. Salt as per taste, asafoetida powder, chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, pinch of turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, quarter of a teaspoon gingerly oil, and some cubes of jaggery. Only these things are needed for garlic pickle. The garlic pickle is very extra delicious dish. Its best matches curd rice. Creamy curd rice. So for making this garlic pickle, heat up a kadai. For this, water should not be sprinkled. It should not be used. So now roast fenugreek seeds a little bit light. If you add too much of fenugreek seeds, it will be like bittery. Roast up a little. This pickle is one of my favorite pickles. Now we are going to grind it. It's well roasted. If you are not going to grind it, let's punch it. So let's transfer it to a punch bowl. Yeah. So now let's punch it very well. Let's add gingerly oil over here. If we add gingerly oil, this taste will be very nice. And adding oil will prevent, will store it for a long time. Let's add some mustard seeds. So now let's add garlic pot over here. It will be little sprinkling. Don't be afraid. After it's a little bit frying, let's add chili powder and cumin seed powder. Both same time. Mix it well and let's add asafoetida powder. Mix it well. It may stick to pan, and let's add turmeric powder and add salt as per taste. Add salt. See the color of it, it's very nice. Do all this process at sim. The stove should be at sim. Roasted fenugreek. The roasted fenugreek seed powder is ready to add it over here. I've added. Powder is very well. Should not be. In this stage, let's add powdered jaggery. Powdered jaggery will be very nice when adding. That's it. Garlic pickle is very well cooked and it's ready. We can also eat it like this. If we grind it and eat it, will be very nice. If we pulse mode and grind this garlic, it will be like very nice. It will be pakka. Like we'll get in shops, no, it will be like that. After it's cool, let's grind it. Let it cool. See how is it? It's very nice. Be very delicious.
In this stage,
it's in a pro mode. So now let's grind it. The mixing jar should be there should be no water content in the mixing jar. So let's transfer this garlic pickle into a jar. This will be my favorite. If you don't like this grinded pickle, you can have this in this stage itself. I'm transferring. The oil isn't needed to grind. Let's grind it and add that oil. It's the color of gingerly oil. Adding a little bit of oil. Extra delicious garlic pickle is ready. See the consistency of garlic pickle. It will be very, very, very nice. I love this garlic pickle. So let's transfer it to a plate. That also should not be any water content. See, there should be no water content in this transferring plate. See the oil is getting out of the pickle. The sweetness which we added for jaggery will be very, very nice in this garlic pickle. If you don't like pickle also, this pickle you will love it. See this consistency. But I don't like garlic pickle which is fully of that garlic pods which is seen. But this I can't express my feeling. Do try it at your home and comment below your experience. Wow, it's very, very nice. This will be a perfect match for curd rice. This will be very nice for everything, not only curd rice, even everything will be pakka for this. So now let's see how to make curd rice. For that, let's heat up a kadai. For that, I've taken cooked rice. I've taken ponni rice. Now we are gonna do a temper for curd rice. Now let's add gingerly oil. So now let's add mustard seeds. After mustard seed fries, we must add cumin seed. Let's pinch and let's roast it a little. Let's roast it a little. The cumin seed should be golden brown. Till golden brown, let's roast it. Let's add green chilies, curry leaves, ginger and dry red chilies. Let's add. This will give curd rice a very extraordinary flavor. You can also do without adding this, but adding this will be very nice. Let's now add salt for curd rice. I'm gonna switch off the stove. I'm right now adding rice, cooked ponni rice. You can also add raw rice. We won't add salt to rice, cooked rice, so I'm adding salt to this right now. Now let's add a thick curd. For this we have to take thick curd only. Let's add. See its consistency, it's very, very nice. The rice should be completely cooled down. Thick curd will make the curd rice very creamy. If we add a lot of curd to this curd rice, the consistency will be very rich. Now let's add salt. Now let's well sorted this. It's very nice, super. Now let's transfer it to a bowl and eat it. When rice is very well cooked, it will be very nice. That creamy flavor will be very nice. We are taking We are taking rice for sambar rice, so we are doing this. So curd rice, bowl of curd rice and garlic pickle. Very nice. So now let's taste it. I'm very, very, very enjoyable while tasting this. Let's taste it. The spoon of curd rice and a bunch of garlic pickle. This will be very nice for a lunch. Garlic pickle is very nice. Very nice. Both are very nice. Best combo ever I tasted. It's Do try it at your home and comment below how was your experience. It's very nice, spicy garlic pickle and a creamy curd rice. So we came to the end of the video. If you are seeing my channel for the first day, do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.